Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my 5 secrets to making a reverse shell border. When you first start learning how to do a reverse shell border, it's kind of like when you try to pat your head and rub your tummy at the same time. It's not natural for your brain to do. Your hand is moving in one direction and then you have to completely stop and reverse it to go the opposite direction. Secret number 1 is to chant. Whatever chant helps you the best with this. Mine was clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, or swirl to the left, swirl to the right, swirl to the left, swirl to the right. It's so unnatural to do this at first, so you really have to focus and tell your hands what to do. So you're kind of making a circle when you make the shell. So you make a circle, you start at the bottom, and you go to the left, clockwise, and then you complete your circle, and then you continue down to the next area where you're going to do the total opposite. So then on the next one, you want to go counterclockwise. You start at the bottom of the circle and you swirl to the left and up until you make a complete circle, and then you go down and do the opposite again. And you just keep making the opposite circles over and over again. I don't know why, but my hand, when I first started this, wanted to do a figure 8. And that is not right. Secret number 2 is to pause. When you first start this, it's really difficult to do it fast, so I find it very helpful to pause after each circle, right where you're about to start the next circle. So you're going to cover up that pause you just made with buttercream. And that brings us to secret number 3, which is take long strokes. Give yourself some grace in the beginning. You can actually make a really pretty border by making that circle, make a really long kind of tail, almost like a question mark, and pause there. So you can stop, you have plenty of time to think, and you stop, and then you go in the reverse direction. Secret number 4 is to make sure you turn your turntable as you go. This is difficult enough as it is. It really helps to move that turntable as you go. Secret number 5 is to be patient. Be patient with yourself. This is difficult to learn. It's a muscle memory thing. It's kind of like when you learn to dribble a basketball. You can't just force yourself to learn it. It just takes practice. And you'll know when it clicks because it'll seem so easy. And you're like, oh, why was this so difficult? I totally have it now. It's simply muscle memory. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.